Today we're going to talk about how to make passive income with $1,000, right? And I know this seems clickbaity, but I'm going to give you some legitimate ideas, and then we're going to talk through the reality. Right, so the first thing, if I only had $1,000 to my name and I was like, damn, I really need to make some freaking passive income, some recurring income, build that revenue source, what would I do? I would probably start by purchasing a camera and a microphone and a light, right? You can probably still get that all for around $1,000, especially if you go used. It won't be the highest quality, but it'll be something. And then what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna take a bunch of really good pictures of my feet, and I'm gonna go to OnlyFans and start making passive income. But on a real note, I would probably do the camera, light, and mic and start producing content, because while not immediate and definitely not passive right off the bat, building a brand, monetizing a brand, building a YouTube channel and an Instagram and a TikTok, all of these are things that can exponentially increase your earning potential if you learn how to do it. Some other ways, right? So like, here's the reality. There are a ton of ways you can earn passive income with $1,000. I mean, for fuck's sake, you could put $1,000 in a savings account and boom, passive income. It's just chump change. You'll make like $3 to $5 a year, right? Not really worth your time. Even if you earned 15 or 20% on $1,000, even if you earn 25% on $1,000, that's $250 a year. $20 and some change a month is not gonna make you wealthy. Now, if you compound that and add to that, it absolutely will grow. But the reality is that if you wanna take that $1,000 and you wanna get wealthy quick, the best thing you can do is invest in skills or not worry about it being passive. So what do I mean by that? Take $1,000 and go learn how to do copywriting. That's like writing all the ads and ad letters and sales letters and stuff. And then go do that for free until you get good at it. You start earning people money and then ask for a rev share. And so now you're getting a piece of the profits when somebody else is making money off their course. And all you have to do is write all the copy and whatever. And it's not necessarily passive, but it can be very good money. And the more money you make them, the more money you make you. It's a win-win situation. I love win-wins. Learn about marketing for Instagram and TikTok. People will pay you to help run their accounts and publish their stuff and edit and upload and all that other stuff, right? It is a viable source of income. It's not entirely passive, but you can automate a lot of it. Learn how to, I don't know, graphic design and help people on Fiverr do logos and build, create books and stuff. Ultimately, like, let's see, what are some other high ticket? So running ads, copy, really anything in the sales world is very valuable skills. Even just basic sales stuff is very valuable. Editing videos can be very valuable. The gentleman who's helping me film all of this stuff is doing fine, I would imagine. I mean, I don't actually know how the rest of his business looks, but I know that I pay him a pretty decent amount of money to come up and do 2 days of filming and 2-3 days of editing. He's definitely not a millionaire, but it's a skill set that he learned that he has been able to monetize, and he puts in a little bit of work, he builds money, and then once you start building that money, now you can go and turn it into passive income that actually matters. $10,000 at 25% is, $200 a month instead of $20 a month, right? So it adds up, it compounds, it increases. But when you're first starting out, like, you shouldn't be as worried about passivity as you are about ROI. And then that morphs over time. So as you get more capital, now you focus more on how you spend your time and you let your money work for you. But when you're first starting out, you've got to put the grind in and earn those high returns. So take that $1,000 and you could go all in marketing for off-market deals, but there's no guarantee you're going to get that with $1,000. There's no guarantee, like if you send $1,000 worth of mailers, you may not get anything. Now, if you go door knocking and that $1,000 is spent on gas and networking, maybe, right? Another thing, maybe spend that $1,000 for mentorship or coaching or learning a skill or getting into somebody's inner circle who's already doing what you want to succeed at. So if somebody's offering $1,000 for 3-month coaching program and they've already done what you're wanting to do, that'd be $1,000, I think, well spent. One of the best things you could do with $1,000 is go buy some freaking books on what you want to learn and then put that to work and put that to effort. Another way you could start earning money real quickly, Gary Vaynerchuk, garage sale flipping. I took $1,000 and turned it into $2,000 in like 2 months via garage sales, and I don't think I ever used more than like $200 out of that 1,000, right? Like it wasn't like I could, like spending $1,000 at a garage sale on deals is harder than you would think. And I was able to buy some stuff. The best thing I ever bought was at this flea market in Hawaii that's at the big arena there. And I bought a printer for, I think it was like 50 cents and sold it for like 81 bucks or something. I don't remember. It was some crazy like 17,000% return on investment, or I don't know. I had a spreadsheet and it was like that thing was untouchable. Now, is it replicable? No, probably not, right? That'd be the effect of like buying a Dogecoin and then letting it get to $1 and selling, right? Like it's possible to make that return, but very unlikely and not a investment strategy that you can bank on, right? I can't go out and tell people, hey, if you have $5 and you buy 10 printers for 50 cents a piece and sell them all for $80 a piece, well, now your $5 just turned into what, $1,600? So phenomenal return on investment. Like that's just not how that works. Oh, I guess it would be $800. Still, great return on investment, not how that works, right? So it's not replicable like that. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm sure there's somebody out there who's done something like that, but it's just, you know, it is what it is. So what I want you to do, if you found this video because you're looking for how to make passive income with $1,000, is kind of flip your mindset into less passive and more investing in yourself for the future. Learning those skills that will really carry you forward. Learning those things that will really, really, really help you out down the road, long term. Think long term, invest in yourself because it'll be the best investment you could ever make. Or buy the camera, take some feet pictures, sell some underwear to creeps online. You make all kinds of money and you can say hashtag OnlyFans and whatever, it's trending. So that being said, let me know if you got something out of this video. It's a little different than what I normally do, but make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and all that other good stuff, and share if you got something out of it. Have a great freaking day. Thanks for watching. You've made it to the end of the video. If you got something valuable out of this, please consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and checking the little bell for notifications so that you get to see more valuable content. Depending on what you're interested in, we've got a ton of other playlists on real estate investing, military advice, getting rich in the military, VA loans, you name it. And make sure you get plugged in the community in the Facebook group and other platforms. Also, if you haven't done so yet and you've still got a lot of questions, especially if you're a younger service member, check out the No BS Guide to Military Life. This is everything I wish I'd known when I first joined the military, and I wrote it to pass on so that other people don't have to say, God, I wish someone had told me that when I was younger. So hope you got something out of this. If you got ideas for other videos or questions, throw them in the comments. I definitely do reply to most everything that's in my comments, and I look forward to seeing you around the channel again. Have a great day.